Good morning, dear kids. I am your English teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Fool. Today, we are going to discuss the book exercise of the poem Save Each Drop. We have already done this poem in the last session. We had read this poem, and then we also came to know that what is the purpose of the poem and what we have learned from the poem. So today, we are going to discuss the book exercise of the same poem, that is Save Each Drop. So let us discuss the book exercise. First of all, let me tell you that we have only one page of exercise. For the same poem, we have only this page for the exercise. Let us start with this page. Here we have question number 1, that why does Ahan ask his father to use a mug and a bucket? Bache, when we had read the poem, in the last stanza, we had learned that Ahan's father, he was using a pipe to wash his car. Then Ahan went to him and Ahan said, "Father, please use a mug and a bucket." Now the question is, why does Ahan ask his father to use a mug and a bucket? Why did he say so? Because when we wash the car with the pipe, using a pipe, we waste a lot of water. So same thing was being done by Ahan's father. He was wasting a lot of water because he was using a pipe to wash his car. Then Ahan went to his father and he said, "Father, please use a mug and a bucket." Now, the question is that why does Ahan ask his father to use a mug and a bucket? And the answer is to save water. To save water. So, what you all will do, you will write the answer in front of the question only. A space here, some space is given to you, and if you find that this space is not appropriate for you to write the answer, you can also write the answer here. You can also write the answer here. ऊपर भी लिख सकते हो बेटे क्वेश्चन के. If you find that there is no proper space for you to write the answer, तो आप लोग जो है वो आंसर ऊपर भी लिख सकते हैं. So now let us write the answer. So let us write the answer. The answer is to save water. To save water. So this is the answer. The way I have written here, in the same way you will also write in your book. Now question number 2 is, put a cross on the incorrect way and a tick on the correct way to use water. Here on this page, some pictures are given to you, and in these pictures, some kids are using water, and you have to put a cross. आपको बेटे क्रॉस लगाना है. If you find that the way is not correct to use the water, अगर आपको वो ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, then we will put a cross, which is wrong. And next, if you find that the way the child is using water is the correct way to use, then you will put a tick. You will put a tick. Now let us discuss with the same, and let us start from the first picture. In the first picture, if you see, this girl is brushing her teeth, and what is happening here, bache? The tap is running. It means this girl is wasting lots of water. Whenever we brush our teeth, we have learned from the poem that whenever we brush our teeth, we should always turn off the tap. So this is not the correct way to use water. This is the wrong one. So here in this circle, you will put a cross. And in the second picture, this girl is brushing her teeth and she is using a mug. Even if you see, the tap is also off. Tap is also not running. टैप भी बंद है बच्चे, it means this girl is not wasting any water. So this is the correct way to use water. And here we will put a tick in the circle. We will put a tick. We will put a tick. So next we have in the third picture, this boy is using a mug and a bucket to take bath. So yes, this is the correct way to take bath, because whenever we use shower to take bath, we waste a lot of water. So whenever we bath, we should always use a mug and a bucket. So this is the correct way of using water. So here also we will put a tick. And next we have, in the next picture, we have this boy. This boy is having bath in a bathtub. Bache, when we fill water in the bathtub, what happens? We take bath in the bathtub and there is a lot of water in the tub, and after bath we waste that whole water. So we should not use a bathtub. And if you see, there is lots of water on the floor also. It means this boy is wasting a lot of water. So this is not the correct way to use water. Here we will put a cross. We should always use a mug and a bucket to take bath. Using a shower and using a bathtub is not the correct way. So here we will put a cross. In the next picture, you see this man is using the hose pipe. It means this man is using pipe to water the plants. So again, using a pipe is not the correct way. Either you wash the car or you water your plants. You should not use a pipe, because using a pipe means we are wasting a lot of water. So this is again the wrong way, and we will put a cross here. And here in this picture, in the next picture, this lady is applying the proper way to water the plant. This is the correct way to water the plants. Even you can use a mug and a bucket also. Okay? So here, this is the correct way. So we will put a tick. Here you will put a tick, because this is the correct way to water the plants. And next we have, in this picture, this lady is cleaning the floor using a pipe. Even if you see in your neighbor, you will find many of the ladies, those who use the pipe, those who do the same. They do not use a broom even. They do not use broom, and just using a pipe, they clean the floor. Even if you feel that your mother does the same, if your mother also does the same, she wastes the water in the same way, she cleans the floor using a pipe, tell your mama, this is not the correct way, you are wasting a lot of water. So using a pipe to clean the floor is totally wrong, and in this way we waste a lot of water. So here again we are going to put a cross here in the circle. And in the last picture, this man, he is using the mug and the bucket to clean the floor, and of course a mop also. This is a mop. This is a mop. So this is the correct way to clean the floor. If you see that your mother or any of the lady in your neighbor, they are wasting water in the same way, tell your mama also that mama, this is not the correct way to use water. So everybody, here we are going to put a tick, because this is the correct way to use water. Now I hope this all exercise is clear to you. And next we have the last one, that is activity. Activity means we do all the activities to learn something special, to learn the new things and to apply those things in our life. So here we have the activity. Tell your teacher 3 ways in which you will save water from now. So here, what you are supposed to do, bache, what is your work, what is activity you are supposed to do? You will tell your mother and father the 3 ways in which you can save water. And it is not about telling. It is not that you have to just tell them. No, it means you have to apply them also. Tell them the ways to save water and tell your mama and papa to apply the same. Everybody at your house. That by applying these ways, we can save water. So this is your homework for today. You have to do the book exercise of the poem Save Each Drop in your New Pathways book. I hope the all exercise is clear to everybody. So this was your English teacher from Mount Litera Z School, Rampura Fool. Thank you everybody and have a nice day.